Hello and welcome to the character timeline tutorial. So this is just a template. You can definitely change the font and add color, add more images, but I'm just going to go through the template very briefly. So you have your front page. Make sure to type in all this information so your teacher is able to grade your project. You can add a picture of the book cover here. And then here's where your timeline is going to begin. So slide 3 is the first part of your timeline. So you'll want your event that happens before the book starts because that's one of the requirements from this assignment. So you'll have to get creative and make something up. So I'm doing the book Duck for President. So I'm going to do a few years ago, Duck was growing inside an egg. And then I'll do, then one day he hatched and began his life on Farmer Brown's farm. Okay, and then you can add in some pictures by clicking the little mountain image button. And I'm just going to upload them for the computer because that's where I saved mine. So here's my first image. Here's my second image. And there's the first part of my timeline. Now you're going to go through and complete it based on your book. I'm going to pause the video to do that in a second, and I'll show you the end product. Okay, so I finished all my edits. You'll notice I changed the font color. I even added an image on the home screen, added my cover image, and all of my dates and important events and images and here. So now the way that the Google Slides is set up is that when you're in present mode, it'll load, and as you transition to the next slide, it's going to go to the side because once your timeline starts, it's going to look like you're going along the timeline and all the way to the end. All right, if you have any questions, just ask your librarian or teacher. Thank you.